We know that a strong immune system is vital to our very survival and can help guard us against infections and illnesses. What we don't generally talk about, though, is the complexity of the immune system, what can affect it negatively, and how to keep it in peak condition. Dr. Roz Rabi is a leading Gauteng-based immunologist. Good day, Dr. Roz. This is quite a broad topic, but I think we're going to keep it quite basic today. In layman's terms, what is the immune system?
Think about the immune system as a multi-layered function of our body. Think about it in the sense that it's there to defend us and it's there to also recognize ourselves. So it's there to recognize a day and to protect a day from the environment and from invaders like viruses, bacteria, and fungi.
And exactly how does the body know what's harmful and what's not whenever we're introduced to all these bacteria and viruses and materials?
So we have an innate immune system and we have an adaptive or advanced immune system. The innate immune system charges in, it's like the infantry, and it goes marching in, and you should know that from being in the military. Yes. And then it calls on the advanced immune system to say, come on guys, you need to come in because you recognize and have memory to that has been happening before. So for example, the reason we immunize or vaccinate people is to generate memory.
What are the most common signs and symptoms you see in your patients with compromised immune system? How do they present to you?
So generally patients would present with chronic and frequent infections, and those may be sinusitis, bronchitis, and even skin infections. And often people will explain fatigue.
And is there anything our viewers at home can do to make sure that their immune system is intact and functioning well?
Vitamin D is great in the immune system. It's an important regulator and communicator in the immune system. And these regulators are important for very specific cells called T cells. And T cells are important in telling parts of the immune system how to work and how to function.
And you mentioned the vitamin D. Is there a simple way besides a supplement that we can get our vitamin D daily?
Absolutely. We live in South Africa and we need to get out and get some sunshine.
In terms of nutrition, is there anything specific we can do? What role does nutrition really play in a strong immune system?
The golden rule that generally most children don't like is the green veggies.
Yes.
So good diet of vegetables and fruit, and also things like your vitamin C, which we find obviously in our citrus fruits. Interestingly, something like kiwi has a very, very high dosage of zinc and vitamin D and vitamin C. I think overall it's having a healthy lifestyle. We're now able to exercise, whether you're great at exercising or you're simply going for a walk. It's our mental health and well-being as well. So there's this huge link between mental well-being and the immune system, and then also gut health.
Yes, so I actually want to touch on the gut health part. You've mentioned eating well, but if your gut's not functioning properly, is there any supplement that you could possibly take to just help the absorption of nutrients?
There is a lot of talk about pre and probiotics for the gut microbiome. There's a lot of studies that are going on or ongoing in terms of making sure that our gut microbiome is functioning well, and we know that is a huge field in immunology, so that dictates how our immune system is managed. There's literally a gut brain now determining how our immune system is functioning. So what's happening down here is having a function on our immune system as a whole.
Dr. Oz, it was very informative. Thank you so much. The immune system is made up of a complex network of cells, organs, tissues, and proteins. It's the body's first line of defense against nasty bacteria and viruses that could have harmful effects on our overall health. As with most body functions, all the normal rules apply in maintaining a healthy immune system. Eat well, exercise, get enough sleep, and drink lots of water. But be aware that there are complicated immune disorders like immunodeficiencies, autoimmune diseases, and hypersensitivities, which will need to be treated by a specialist. Until next time, goodbye.